Three, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's a little bit different. I kind of just wanted to showcase what I do as a videographer because I feel like a lot of you guys don't know, like I actually have an entire business dedicated to videography and photography. So boom, here we are. Let's just hop right into the video. This is my camera bag. I got this bag off of Amazon. It's just your regular Amazon Basics bag. This bag can really take a lot, as you guys will see in a minute, but there's also padding on the back right here, as well as a waist strap. So getting right into it. So, God, this thing is huge. So the first thing I have in here is actually my camera body for my Rebel T6. This is the first camera, the first DSLR that I ever bought. So most of the stuff you guys are gonna see in here are like really inexpensive. So if you guys are just starting out or looking, you can definitely like purchase some of this, and I'll have the links to all of the gear that I use down below. So I usually use this for photo more than video. Yeah, this is definitely a photo camera, but I also do use it for video when I have interviews or videos where there's more than one person in the video. The other camera that I sometimes have in here, depending on if I'm shooting digital and film, is my Canon AE1 program. So this is the first camera that I ever bought. This is a really good starter camera if you guys want to get into film. I can make a whole video on film cameras because I know a lot of people are hopping on that wave now, which is really cool. But yeah, so this. So I recently invested in getting new lenses. Having the kit lens is really cool, but if you want to make some dynamic shots, having different lenses to play around with is really important. I just wanted to go ahead and get a few lenses that I would just need in any scenario, you know? I went ahead and I got this Canon 50mm, most widely known as the Nifty 50, and it's just really, really awesome to use. I used it on a shoot recently. It's great for details. Also, if you like that depth of field look, this is really, really good to go with. The other lens that I picked up was actually this 10 to 18mm zoom lens. Oh, this is not a zoom lens, oh my gosh. So the other lens that I went ahead and picked up was also this wide angle lens. I don't usually shoot landscape or shoot any situations where I need just a wide angle lens, but sometimes if I want to just switch up the shot, get a different perspective, I'll definitely use this to play around with it. This lens is actually really, really good. So if you're looking for some good starter lenses, I would definitely recommend this one. So apart from those lenses, I also just keep the kit lens in there, and I usually just keep this lens in there in case I just want to go back to my roots or something, or be really safe, or just get like a regular shot, different perspective. I'll probably just go ahead and use this lens, but more times than not I'm probably going to use the other lenses. I also went ahead and picked up this adapter. It's a Photo-C adapter. So basically what this is, I have two cameras. I usually use my Lumix G7 for video and my Canon T6 for photo. This allows me to kind of use the Canon lenses that I have and attach them to the smaller body Lumix, which is actually really cool. So I've also seen people use this adapter with like a Sony camera and maybe a prime lens or something. They come out with some like really, really clean shots. I think an adapter is a good thing to have, but it's not really necessary for a beginner or like any starter kit really. So also what I usually have in here is this like mic sock. I really forgot the proper name for this, but you just put it over your mic. I have the Rode Mic Mini, so I usually use that mic with my Lumix. Sometimes when I'm filming outside or I'm vlogging or whatever, and I just want the mic to pick me up and me only, I'll usually use this just to help take away any outside noise or something. So recently I've been investing in like kind of the outside parts of video, not just the camera and like lenses and all that stuff, but more so mics, lighting, things like that. So I actually picked up a lav mic, which I have on right now. I'll go ahead and show you guys my setup. So I record on my phone, and there's just like this little piece right here that actually came with the iPhone, which allows me to hook up like a mic piece to it whenever I want to record audio. So 9 times out of 10 in here, I'm usually gonna have my battery chargers, because at the moment I don't have extra batteries, which is like So yeah, we're almost done, guys. But I also keep my Polaroid flash in there, and this flash is really, it's okay. It gets the job done. It's not like a professional flash to me. So Polaroid actually has a couple just everyday type of accessories that you guys can use if you're looking for something inexpensive. So that's everything that's in the main compartment of this bag. Let's go ahead and flip to the other part. So recently I invested in this gimbal. I just have it deconstructed in the bag, honestly, and it was just in there. This is the Zhiyun Crane Plus. I just use this to get like really smooth shots and stuff like that. It really just adds a different dynamic look to my shots. It's also relatively inexpensive compared to the other Zhiyun Crane gimbals or just other gimbals out there, honestly. Everything that comes with this gimbal, I usually just keep it in the front. It's easy to access and I know where everything is. So moving over to these little pockets on the sides, I usually just keep just random stuff in here that I just need to reach at any given moment. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's in my bag. And on the other side, it actually has some straps to hold your tripod. In this back part right here, I usually just slide my laptop in there. I don't usually keep my laptop with me on shoots. Just because no. But if you wanted to take your laptop with you anywhere, if you were like traveling or something like that, I would definitely utilize this part of the book bag. So I actually have a 15-inch MacBook Pro that I edit with. It fits perfectly in here and it's safe at all times. You know, nobody can get to it because it's literally on my back. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also feel free to check out the description box below, as it'll have all the links to everything that I mentioned in this video. If you have anything that's in your camera bag personally, go ahead and drop that in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.